Now we see series. Second chapter is series. Now the problem set is given. In the problem set, and this is the answer set. In problem set it is given A, C, E, J, and in answer set P, N, O, M. A, B, C, D. Okay, means we have to find out after J which alphabet will be there. Okay, which alphabet will come in a series. Now see A, then C, E, sorry, A, C, F. Here is an F, F and J. Now you see series one by one. A and C. In between one character is there. Then C and F, D and E, two characters are there. F and J, in between F and J, three characters are there. Okay, now how many characters will come? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means after J, uh, which one is the fifth character? Now we'll see. J, 1, 2, 3, 4. What will come? O. So O is the correct answer. Understand? We'll see one more. Z, X, U, Q, L, M, N, Q. So Z. Now we will go reverse. X, V, Q. 1, 1. Sorry, here is U. Z, X, U and Q. Means 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now 4. After Q, which characters will come at fifth place? So 1, 2, 3, 4. What will come? L. Okay, understand? Means in this example, we went reverse. First Z, come reverse. X, after one character X, after two character U, after three character Q. Now after four character, what will come? L. Okay. Now we will see the next one. In this letter series, give next two of each one. Give next two. Now see, the series is given B, E, H, K, N, Q. What will come here? Next two. Then again see, I will rub these things. B, E, B, E, H, K, N, Q. Now we see the difference. B after two letter E. Okay. E after two letter H. H after two letter K. After K two letter L, M, N. N after two letter O and P, Q. Now we have to count two letter after. R and S. So here will be T. Count again two letters U and V, and here will be W. Understand? Now we will see one more. Fill in the box. Here what happened? The middle words are not given and we have to find that middle one words or middle one letters. Okay, how to find? Again we will see. AC, A, C, F, H. AC, AC, F, H. Okay, now see here. AC, one letter left, then two letter, again one letter, again two letter. Now what will come here? K. M is given. Leave two letter. N and O. What will come here? P and Q. So every time write the alphabet from A to Z and find out the answer. We see number series. Okay. Now see here 987, 876, 765 and 654 and four options are given here. Now see here 9, 8, 7, 6. Next will come 5. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So answer will be the first one. Okay. Now we'll see next. Fill in the block. In that first one, here is the blank space where we have to write. Here is again blank space. Now what will come here? Now see here 16, 17, 18 and 20 means here will be 19. 21 here will be 22. Then 01, 02, 03 here will be 04. 05, 06 here will be 07. In this way you can complete the box. Then we will go to the alphanumeric series. Okay, in series the next one option is alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means it's a combination of numbers and letter. Alphanumeric series. Okay, in that first one is 18Z, 17Y, 16X, 15W and the options are given 14V, 14U, U14 and B15. Now see here 18, 17, 16, 15, next one will come 14. Then you go reverse Z, Y, X, W and V. If you go from Z to A, go reverse Z, Y, X, W and V. So answer will be the first one. Understand? Now you solve all the remaining series. Now we will see the letter series. In that first one we will see A blank space. Here we have to fill, then again blank space, AB, and options are given AAB, ABA, ABB, BAB. Okay, now see here A, here is an blank space, again double B, blank space, AB. Now from these four option, which option we have to fill here, that this series will be complete. Now we'll see one by one. Okay, see this one A. Suppose I fill it here A. Okay, again A, and here B. Is the series complete? Double A, double B, again double A, and again double B. So this will be the correct option. Okay, we will try the next one. A, B, A. Is the series get complete? Double A, triple B, A, B, A. Series will not complete. So this is not a correct option. Now you understand? So we have to fill the character in the space in such way that that series will get completed. Now we will see next one. Series of numbers.